So hi, my name is Joy. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to moisturize your hair properly and prevent your hair from actually breaking off every now and then. But before we jump right into today's video, if you're watching my video for the first time, hit that subscribe button on your interface and also give this video a huge thumbs up. This is the only way you can support my channel, by liking my videos, by watching my videos to the end. That way YouTube can actually push out these videos to other viewers that might be interested in this kind of content. So thank you guys for doing that. Now let's jump right into today's video. So first off, there are three major things you need for moisturizing your hair, and that is your water, which is the liquid, and then your oils. It can be any oil of your choice. It can be a hair growth oil, it can be an Ayurvedic oil, and then also your hair butter. So this is my shea butter mix. I have a video on how I make this, although actually I combined it with my hair grease that I made. So it's natural, it's all natural. It's just a wax that is added to it to just make it thicker. So this is what my hair is looking like. That is how my hair is looking like. It's looking dry. There's no product on my hair, and so it's actually time to moisturize my hair. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with my scalp. I'm going to start with my scalp by moisturizing my scalp, and by moisture we mean water, liquid. It doesn't mean any other thing but water. Water is the only thing that can give moisture to your hair. So you have to make sure to hydrate your scalp properly with water. Make sure you work it in. So don't just apply the water and just leave it like that. I mean, it's going to just run down your hair. It's not going to penetrate or anything. So as you can see, I'm applying the water and using my other hand to massage it in, to work it in, to make sure that it's soaked right into my hair strands, because that is the whole essence of moisturizing your hair. So if you're just applying water and you're not working the water in to make sure that your hair is properly soaked with it, then you're not going to get the best result, because that water is actually the moisture that we want in our hair. So I'm actually working this in, massaging at the same time. Guys, massages are a very great way to grow your natural hair. Massage it to let blood flow to your scalp, and also allow the water to soak right into your scalp. So this is a great way to really moisturize your hair. Now, once I'm satisfied with how I've worked the water in, put in the moisture, I'm going to now go ahead with my oil to I don't use oils to seal moisture in, because I don't feel they can really seal moisture for me. So this is just the second step to sealing the moisture in. So I'm going to just apply the oil to my scalp, to everywhere, every section, every inch of my scalp. I'm going to apply the oil. So once I feel it's not coming out properly, I open up the valve and just let it come out, let it run through. I'm very generous with my oils. I don't just use little, because my hair really takes a lot of products, but I still try to keep it simple and moderate. So this is me just applying this to my edges. And they are the really fragile parts of my hair. So my hair grows more on the middle section and at the back than at the front. So the front of my hair is not actually the fullest. So I like to be generous with my edges, with my scalp. And once I'm satisfied with that, I'm going to use my hands once again and massage it in. You have to do this to really get the best result, because just just applying oils and leaving it like that is not going to do anything for you. In fact, you'll be wasting your products, because in the next few minutes it's going to just evaporate and just dry out. So I use my hands to work this in, massage it properly, let it get to the core of my scalp, to every section, and then I'm going to go ahead and work with my hair strands. So I don't apply cream to my scalp because I have a very sensitive scalp, and using cream on my scalp can really make my hair to itch. So that is why I only use water and oil. Now it's time for my hair. As you can see, I'm using water to soak my hair, not that it will be dripping wet, but just enough to really, make my hair feel damp and soft. I go ahead with my oil. As you can see, I'm also starting at the ends of my hair, because the ends, like I always say, are the oldest parts. So if you don't give it that extra TLC that it needs, it's going to be breaking. So it will not even matter the amount of hair that you're bringing out from your scalp, that is coming out from your scalp. If you're losing it at the ends, what's the point? Then there is no need for this. So I'm working this in, making sure to soak it deep into my hair strands, and then I go in with the third step, which is my hair butter. So I'm doing exactly the same thing from the ends to the roots, to every corner. Squeeze it in. Notice that I'm squeezing it in, so I'm not being rough with my hair, because I'm trying to keep my hair neat. I'm still going to take it for a couple more weeks, so I'm just squeezing the product in. As you can see, applying more to the ends of my hair, making sure that I coat every area of my hair with my hair butter. So I'm going to do the same for this other side. So I like to work in beats. You can divide your hair into 4 sections, into 3 sections to do this properly, but I divided mine into 2 sections. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same process: my water, oil and cream. That is the lock method, LOC method. The other method some people prefer is the LCO method. So whichever one works best for you, you can do that. Moisturizing your hair, you don't need bunch of products to do this. You need the bare minimum to really do this. What matters the most is doing it the right way, and what happens afterward, because I'm not going to be leaving my hair this way, especially now that we are in the winter season. Everywhere is dry. If you leave your hair like this, it's going to dry up no matter what you do. It doesn't matter the product you use, so it's going to dry up. And if you notice, your hair dries faster at the ends than at the roots. So it's better to take care of that ends where your hair can easily break off than focusing more on the roots. So both ways is still better. As you can see, my hair is shining than when I started. Now it's feeling more moisturized. It looks more moisturized. I'm going to just put my hair up in a bun. So once I'm satisfied with the way my hair feels, I feel it's moisturized, this is not too wet, it's just okay, it's damp, I'm going to now put my hair up in a bun. So you can put your hair up in a ponytail, in an updo, anything that protects the ends of your hair. It's called a protective style. So it's not just making braids and twists and just leaving your hair rubbing against your shoulders, rubbing against your shirts, just flying away and allowing the weather elements to do its course on it. So it's not that. It's actually putting your hair up in a style that will protect the ends of your hair. So as you can see, I'm not wrapping this up too tight. I'm making sure that it's loose loose enough that I don't have any tension on my scalp or anything that will make my hair to pull off from its roots. And then I'm putting this up in a plait, in a big plait. I'm wrapping every ends of my hair inwards so you can't see the ends of my hair. And this is how I practically wear my hair. I don't wear my hair out, except I want to maybe take a photo, go out for a special event or anything as such. But otherwise, this is how my hair is always kept. And I can say that is why I've been able to retain much of my hair, and I've not lost my hair that much. So this is all on how to moisturize your natural hair. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Share this video to your loved ones, and please leave me a nice and beautiful comment. I'll be in the comment section to respond to all your comments. I will see you in my next video. Bye.